Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a book review about a book called Dead Wash, and it's by Nicolas Morgan. As you can see, there's lots of insects on the cover. Sound pretty creepy, right? Yeah, so this book is about a girl called Kat McPherson. Let's look at the blurb. And she's been stalked by someone, and she noticed it, but I don't think she cared that much, and her life is to be an athletic, and I would rate this book only 2 stars because I don't really understand what it's about. And yeah, and at the end I don't really know who saw her, so in fact let me tell you a bit. So Kat McPherson Danny, and in fact she doesn't like him anymore because Danny like to collect insects and she hates insects. And I think the person who follow her like play a prank on her by it on Feast, a social network program, and then put the profile picture as an insect, and then her computer got spam. Yeah, I don't really like the book really much. I'm really disappointed with this book. I hope more from Nicolas Morgan. So, what do you think about this book? What rating stars do you give this book? Please comment below and let me know. Goodbye.